Welcome. Let's start. We take you into our virtual world and show you how we live and love the geometrical validation of digital prototypes with a lot of passion. Everyone is talking about AI today, but do you know what sets us apart from others? Our first generic AI product is already on the market. With our software VT-DMU, we have established ourselves as the DMU and AI experts. Our goal is to create a world where physical prototypes are no longer needed. With every prototype car that has not been built, we save around 20 tons of scrap, 2 million euros and energy costs. We have an AI vision in mind. Humans and AI will have to work hand in hand together in the future. There will be no alternative to the ever-increasing cost of data and work. But all beginnings are difficult, and we have had to deal with some setbacks in the research and development of our own AI. For more than 35 years, Invenio provides tailor-made solutions for all phases of the engineering process, from the first idea to the product ready for serial production. We, Invenio Virtual Technologies, have been burning for our vision for over 20 years. The realization of 100% digital product development in all areas. Our technology is designed for the product development market across all industries. The more complex the product, the greater the benefit for the user. With the merger of several divisions in one company, service, consulting and technology, and the development of our own software kit VT-DMU, we have succeeded in the first major milestone in digital product development. Only with the use of our software can the ever shorter development times be met, which means that the customer remain competitive and efficient. Our solutions are designed to give the user exactly the data and information they need within a fraction of a second. The openness of our modular system ensures that we can generate new solutions with minimal effort at any time. And that is exactly what sets us apart from the competition. We and our software stands for openness, modularity and adaptability. With our quality monitor, users can keep track of the 3D data jungle. Our unique product finds all the geometrical problems in the 3D data. With the quality monitor, huge amounts of data can be calculated on a daily basis. Extremely fast algorithms also produce extremely many results, and these can only be evaluated by experts. We are talking about 55 million part pairings, which are calculated fully automatically overnight for a customer from the automotive industry. Our software already reduces the results to the point that there are only 50,000 potential problem spots left. The geometry test began more than 20 years ago. It was a real hype topic back then, and everyone just wanted to do DMU. But then came the first problems. Too much data and too many results that couldn't be managed. Many companies have lost the desire and stopped living a holistic geometry testing process. However, we have continued and saw the problems that have arisen as a challenge. Our approach consisted of first implementing an absolutely stable calculating process, then creating intelligent result management, and finally developing an AI that helps with processing. But the enormous data growth can only be controlled with AI today. Today, virtual geometry verification is an integrated process. Let me show you an example. 1,400 virtual vehicles, 55 million part pairings, potential issues at night, 50,000 potential issues per day. This enormous number of results could no longer be evaluated in normal ways. We knew it was time for a change. The era of invenio AI has begun. In 2014 was the start of the research and development of the invenio AI. 2016, we were sure that it would be sufficient to let the AI learn in form of a neural network on the large amounts of customer data that our engineers work with on a daily basis. We had high hopes that the AI would make independent decisions as a result. Unfortunately, that was not the case. 2017. In order to be able to use the AI successfully, you need the combination of large and above all complete data volumes. The analysis of the data then brought the long-awaited solution. 2020. Our first AI product is on the market and our customers achieve up to 50% efficiency improvement with the application. The huge customer data and the intelligent additional information developed by us were the key to successfully training the AI and then using it productively. VTDMU 4.0 was born, the geometric validation of the future with AI. We have developed an AI that we provide with the right data. This allows the AI to make independent decisions. The AI indicates how safe it is in making its decisions. For example, 95% sure that the problem is uncritical. At the beginning of 2020, the first generic AI in the existing product Quality Monitor was expanded. This was the start of the Intelligent Quality Monitor 4.0. The AI is already making independent decisions. We are already talking about 50% increase in efficiency. However, the user has complete control over the AI at all times. A so-called level of trust is used to define and advance the extent to which the AI is allowed to make independent decisions. If the decision of the AI is below the specified level of trust, the user must evaluate himself. The AI then only makes the recommendation and supports with all the necessary information. First, the Quality Monitor shows a complete view of the conflicting parts. Second is a zoom to the marked problem area. Then the details of the problem, collision geometry, are with hinted cut displayed. And last, the cut through the problem area with depth of penetration takes place exactly where the cut placed by humans would be set. Information about the exact location of the problem in the vehicle. The AI evaluates the position and says to the user that the problem is 99.9% uncritical. We are convinced that humans and AI will have to work together hand in hand in the future. There will be no alternative with the ever-increasing data and work costs. Only hand in hand is the pioneering solution for the virtual product development. Thank you for your attention.